Are earnings to blame, or is the timing just a coincidence amid the resurgence in COVID cases worldwide? Joining me now is David Harden. He is CIO and president of Summit Global Investments. And Michael Cugino is president and portfolio manager of the Permanent Portfolio family of funds. Great to have you guys both here. David, let me start with you because you were really concerned about investor euphoria a couple of weeks ago. So is this kind of a necessary correction in your view?
I think so, and I think that it comes well with the rise in COVID cases. Bob talked about the rise in price in individual companies, and so a breather is warranted. We have the election on hand, and that's bringing a lot of uncertainty. The Fed's kind of stepped away for a little bit, so with the uncertainty in the markets, the price of the markets, I think it's a good time for a little bit of a breather.
Do you then, David, attribute the declines to earnings season? Do you attribute it? I mean, it seems obvious that the increase in COVID cases is a huge catalyst here. Or do you say that, those are just excuses for the sell-off?
Well, not necessarily. We are up about threefold in the United States. We're up about tenfold if you look at Europe, Middle East, and Africa. So the cases worldwide are up. We have shutdowns going on in France and Germany, kind of an increase there, maybe not as draconian as going back where we were in March. But the reality is we fear that. We fear what the lockdowns and shutdowns can do, and with the president and the election going on right now, there is a lot of uncertainty. Is it unwarranted? No. We have had a big move. I mean, you look at Amazon up 70%. You look at Microsoft up 30%. We've had some great moves in kind of the nifty 10 or what have you, the very narrow market of the NASDAQ. And a breather would be good, not just from earnings.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.